You know, Vigan City very much feels like an Intramuros, but just way more preserved and well kept. Hello folks, and welcome to my first video here in Vigan City. I'm on my way to a local Starbucks. Apparently it's about 8 minutes from where I am because I've got to do a few errands. I'm hoping Starbucks over there maybe has some reliable Wi-Fi in that area because I still have to upload yesterday's video, and so I'm carrying my laptop along the streets of Vigan, along this street here. I don't know what street this is called, but right away it looks like there's some sort of architecture from the Spanish colonial period. I'm not sure. It looks very, very different to anything I've seen around the Philippines, but the streets seem very, very quiet. The weather here is superb. Look at these blue skies. I left cloudy Metro Manila for this wonderful sunshine. I'm surprised how absent the streets are here. But anyway, first protocol is getting this video out for you guys so you can watch the previous vlog. But you know what? I arrived here last night. Rather than the 8 or 9 a.m. ETA that I had anticipated, I came here at 4 a.m. And so it was quite tricky to find myself any sort of accommodation in the area where the check-in desk was actually operational. I went to like 2 or 3 places. You know, they had all their doors locked up. Let me just wait for these motorbikes to go by because it's quite loud. There's no Grab taxi here in Vigan City, so you have to take a tricycle everywhere. But I took a tricycle yesterday and asked one of the drivers if they know any sort of hotel that would be open to allow me to check in at that time of night, and they did. And they took me to a place called something like Andes Transient, where I'm paying like 1.5k pesos a night to stay there. It's really cheap, really affordable. But I got like this bunk bed with like this really large double or queen size bed with a single bed on top of it. You know, the accommodation here is nothing too fancy. I couldn't really find something that was modern yet affordable. Like if you try to go for a really nice accommodation here, you're looking to pay around about 4 to 5k pesos a night. And as I'm by myself, I don't really need to pay that much. And you know, Vigan City is a historical heritage city, so it's not really supposed to be going for sort of modern or renovated accommodation here. Hello, how are you? I'm just walking. I must say, my first time walking down the streets of Vigan City with this beautiful weather, it feels like I'm walking through something in the past. Like I've been transported back in time. It's so pleasant. It's very, very different to anywhere else in the Philippines. Okay, I'm walking through a bit of road where, you know, it's still currently under construction. And there seems to be quite a lot of sand and rubble as they're trying to fix the road and lay some stones down. This is a stone paved road. We've come to an area that seems, oh wow, I've got to be careful here. I don't want to mess it up. Oh gosh. Wait, do I walk through here? Oh, it's trippy as hell. Oh, okay. I've come to an area in Vigan City that seems to be a lot busier. There's a lot more noise and activity. Maybe this is one of the main streets here. Well. This is nice. It's so cool here as well. You know, going from Manila straight to this, the contrast feels unreal. I mean, most of this stuff here, though, on the left-hand side is dilapidated. The right is in order. It looks like there has been some sort of renovation inside. And there's a lot of horses and carts. Oh, is that a horse or is that a donkey? Oh. Look at the architecture of Cafe Uno. I'm not sure if all of that is part of Cafe Uno, but I love the upper deck there that you can stand out and look over onto the street. And tucked in one of these old historical heritage buildings, there's a Starbucks on this corner. Yeah, I can go get my iced Americano. But more importantly, I've come here to try and upload my video, but I don't think I'm going to find a place where they have relatively good signal. It's going to be quite challenging to upload these videos or this series consistently whilst I'm here. Hello, how do you do? There's a coupon. How are you enjoying Vigan City, huh? Wait, there's a queue? Oh, there is a queue. I'm just after quick internet. Where can I get quick internet? Hang on, how much are your rooms? Okay. Whoa, 6,000? Anything cheaper, or have to go on booking.com?
This one, sure, we can give you the best available rate.
The best
Just for standard room?
Yeah, just standard room.
We can give this as 5,044 instead of 6,712.
And that's good for 2 people or no?
Yes, it is for 2.
Okay.
Standard room, 1 bed.
Standard room. Okay, folks, I've come into a hotel called Hotel Luna, and it's one of the best hotels in Vigan City. And I've managed to upload my video thanks to them. The prices are around about 6,700 pesos per night. I was able to get it discounted to 5,400 pesos. But the interior architecture of this place and the furnishing, as I haven't seen the rooms, looks very premium. And they have a 24-hour check-in desk along with a restaurant behind us and a rooftop bar, which starts from 6 p.m. all the way until 12 midnight, which I might check out later on in the video. But for now, I'm gonna exit, try and find some food to eat, and possibly get myself a Starbucks and just have a little first impression of Vigan City. Thank you, Paul. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and just opposite is Hotel Salcedo de Vigan. You know, Vigan City very much feels like an Intramuros, but just way more preserved and well kept, and without any of the poverty that unfortunately Intramuros has. Yes, please. Do I love vegans? Yeah, so far. I mean, it's kind of like my first day, but the reason why I'm buying a bag is so I can put this in there, so I don't have to hold it. Can you open it for me? Let me see if it fits. Does it fit? It fits. Hey! Hey! What the hell? Yes, it fits. It's not gonna rip, is it? It's strong? Strong? Yeah, I like it. Makano? 150. 150.
Your age is 30? Your 30, his age is 30.
Yeah. Oh, you're 32. Oh. Alrighty, folks. I just got myself a very beautiful I Love Vigan Philippines souvenir bag for my laptop to be placed inside there. It was a bit of a pain carrying it around, but hopefully this should make it a lot easier and make myself a lot stylish carrying this bag around Vigan, especially with this off-white shirt that I have with the new Yankees hat. Anyway, I haven't eaten anything all day because I got up really late. I got up around about 2 p.m. as I went to sleep around about 5 a.m. and I need to get something in my stomach for now. Where should I eat? I don't know. I'm going to try and have a look at where to eat. There's a mang inasal in here. Anyone wants unlimited rice? There you go. I've come across this very beautiful plaza called Burgos Plaza, and there's a monument of Dr. Burgos just behind me in the center. And the way this evening sun is currently setting over this plaza is so beautiful. And I'm also very surprised that Vigan City, although it's a very small city, seems to have all the major franchises in the area, such as Watson's, you've got Greenwich Pizza, you've got McDonald's over there was a Starbucks earlier that we saw in the video, which I wouldn't think would be here. The convenience is there. You got your fast food chains, and you probably got some great restaurants that I want to probably explore in later videos. But for now, I need to get something down me quickly because I'm super hungry and I can't be bothered to look around. So I'm just going to go to McDonald's, which is behind this little bell tower here at Burgos Plaza. Hello. What the hell? This is like one of the most fanciest McDonald's I've seen in the Philippines. Well folks, I'm done with my meal and now I'm just gonna have a nice leisurely stroll around the streets of Vigan while during dusk. Look how beautiful the sky is right now. You've got these beautiful pink bluish skies. This particular street called Calle Cristalogo was pretty busy during the day, but it's become even more lively at night. I think most of these people on this street are tourists. They don't live in Vigan City, or they're probably from around the Ilocos area. Okay folks, the sun is officially set and I'm going to be wrapping up today's video here. But folks, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching guys. Take care and bye for now.